Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks so much for coming to watch it. So this isn't actually my first time in Germany. The first time I was here last time, I know, it was awesome. But on my plane ride back, the plane caught fire and I had to emergency land. And I basically swore I'd never leave England again, which is a bit shit. But you probably heard how shit England is right now. So I was like, yeah, I'll go back. Just hopefully the plane don't catch fire. So yeah, it's an anecdote.
True story.
True story.
Let's play another song.
I guess I can relate because my skills ain't great. And he goes to become selfish. Now he just wants to get established, and then he'll be feeling nicer. He said, I'll be nothing like you. We were gonna get high. I wanna be there. You're high. You're smiling. Well, if that's what my back is saying, chill out, don't work either. Maybe put him in the freezer, crank up the meter. I'm a teeter, wanna say it in the most positive way. Ain't even sure you should say